Okay, so this is my next big adventure. Moved house, renovated a house, started up my business, all the things I needed to do in France that was more important, all done now. So the idea is, got a van, not very exciting, but exciting for me because I want to make it into a camper van and go on adventures, do a bit of traveling, just fun adventures with this little one. Explore more of France where I live. I haven't even seen much of it yet, even other parts of Europe, and just go traveling, meet people, adventures. Really excited about this. I haven't got a big budget to do it with at all, so I'm going to be doing a lot of unusual projects, upcycling, out of the box thinking, but I want to go proper, get it insulated, ready for summer, ready for winter. And yeah, really excited to be doing this. Got loads to do. Already got some unusual ideas, materials ready and stuff. So if you want to see what I get up to, see how it all goes, it's all very new to me, could go very wrong, I hope not, and see what I can achieve on a small budget and how it all goes. And be sure to follow and subscribe to see more and see how it all comes out.